Welcome back, students, to the second part of the video. Now we will start discussing question number 7 of chapter number 1. Okay. The question says, change the sentences beginning with the words in brackets. Some hints are given in the brackets. We have to use those hints to change the form of the sentence. I'm telling you this again, that the meaning of the sentences should remain the same. Only the form of the sentence will change. Okay? Let us read a few examples and then we'll discuss the exercise. Radha did not run as fast as Mohan. Mohan ran. Mohan ran faster than Radha. The question says Radha did not run as fast as Mohan. Means Radha मोहन से ज़्यादा तेज़ नहीं दौड़ पाती है या मोहन जितना तेज़ नहीं दौड़ पाती है. That means मोहन ज़्यादा तेज़ दौड़ता है. Correct? So we can write in both ways. If we convert this in Hindi, राधा मोहन से तेज़ नहीं दौड़ पाती है. That means we can also say मोहन ज़्यादा तेज़ दौड़ता है. Right? So this is what we have to do in English. We have to write that Mohan ran faster than Radha. Okay? Just the opposite thing, but the meaning will remain the same. See the second example. Prem does not work as carefully as Maya. प्रेम माया जितना अच्छा काम नहीं करता है. So can we say माया ज़्यादा अच्छा काम करती है? So that is what we have to write in the answer. Maya works more carefully than Prem. I hope these two examples are clear. Let us come to the exercise. Jatin did not run as fast as David. Jatin David जितना तेज़ नहीं दौड़ा. So we can write that David ज़्यादा तेज़ दौड़ता है. Okay? So David ran faster than Jatin. I have already solved some of the questions here in the book. See number B. A car does not move as quickly as an aeroplane. A car does not move as quickly as an aeroplane. That means an aeroplane moves faster than a car. That is what we have to write. The hint is given that we have to start the answer with an aeroplane moves. So the answer will be an aeroplane moves faster than a car. Oh sorry, it's quickly. So more quickly than a car. I hope this is getting clear. Maya does not speak as quickly as Radha. Maya Radha जितना तेज नहीं बोलती है. That means Maya speaks more quickly, right? That is what we have to write. Radha speaks more quickly than Maya. Okay. Prem did not laugh as loudly as Mohan. मतलब प्रेम मोहन जितना तेज नहीं हंसा. That means मोहन ज़्यादा तेज हंसा. That is what we have to write again. Mohan laughed more loudly than Prem. Anu did not write as carefully as Radha. We can also say Radha wrote more carefully than Anu. I hope this is clear. I am leaving a few questions for you to solve yourself so that you will come to know how much you have understood. Okay. Come to the second part of the same exercise. This part is just the opposite of what we have done in the first part. Okay. What we have done in the first part, we have removed as and we have used another form of adjective, right? Comparative form of the adjective. In the second part, already the comparative form of adjective is used and we have to transform it in a different way by using as. Okay. See, Raj is taller than Radha. Raj राधा से लंबा है. So we can write कि राधा राज जितनी लंबी नहीं है. Okay. Convert it into Hindi. Translate it into English. Sorry. Radha is not as tall as Raj. Prem worked harder than Mohan. प्रेम ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क करता है. That means we can say मोहन प्रेम जितना हार्ड वर्क नहीं करता है. मोहन did not work as hard as Prem. Come to the exercise. We will solve a few and then I will tell you to solve it yourself. Some of the questions. Okay. Prem is stronger than Raj. We can write Raj is, already the hint is given. We have to start with Raj is. So Raj is not as strong as Prem. Maya wrote faster than Leela. Maya Leela से ज़्यादा fast लिखती है. So can we say Leela Maya जितना fast नहीं लिखती है? That is what we have to translate in English and write. Leela did not write. With did we use the present form of the verb. Okay, did के साथ write हो जाएगा. We will no longer use wrote. Leela did not write as fast as Maya. A ship is bigger than a boat. Of course, we know that a ship is bigger than a boat. That means a boat is not as big as a ship. Boat ship जितनी बड़ी नहीं होती है. Cheetahs run faster than deer. So we can say deer जो है वो चीता जितना तेज नहीं है, right? So that is what we have to write here. Deer do not run as fast as cheetahs. Here do not get confused. The plural form of deer is deer only. Okay? So this is the plural form of deer. A lion is fiercer than a dog. So we can write a dog is not as fierce as a lion. One more. Teresa speaks more clearly than Martin. Teresa Martin से ज़्यादा clear बात करती है. That means we can say Martin Teresa जितना clear बात नहीं करता है. Translated in English, Martin does not speak as clearly as Teresa. Okay, I hope you're getting it. So I have left a few more questions for you to solve it yourself. Try it once. Okay, you will get the answer. Don't worry about the answers, but please try once at home to solve this exercise. Thank you.